When we decided 2020 would be the year of nurses and midwives, we never could have known how right we would be. You are the heroes of this year's effort against the COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you so much for everything that you've done and will do this year for Queenslanders.
I thank all nurses for your valuable contributions in the pandemic response. Whether you are a nurse caring for patients in a public or a private hospital, community-based setting, or a virtual ward, a nurse working in one of the statewide emergency operations centres, or the health contact centre team, a nurse directly involved in airport screening, contact tracing, and fever clinics, or a nurse manager or educator, clinical facilitator, or an executive leader. I sincerely thank you.
Just a shout out for all the nurses and midwives. Just stay safe, look after each other, and keep caring, just like you do every day.
To all our nurses and midwives across Queensland, you are all exceptional, and I know that you will focus heavily on supporting our communities. Thank you to you all.
To our members, the nurses and midwives of Queensland, I want to say a very special thank you for your spectacular efforts to date in the COVID-19 pandemic. You have worked tirelessly to keep our community safe, and together we have helped to flatten the curve.
To all my fellow nurses and midwives, you are all fabulous and doing a great job. Hang in there, look after each other, and don't forget to take care of you.
Our nurses and midwives are the heartbeat of our healthcare system. Their care and compassion is unstinting and is a fundamental reminder of the humanity in all of us. A big thank you to each and every one of you for going the extra mile every day, every week, every month and every year.
Just like to say thank you to all the nurses and midwives, especially those that are affected by looking after people with COVID-19 at this point in time, but also to the nurses and midwives that are preparing and doing all the hard work behind the scenes so that we are ready for what's going to occur next with COVID-19. Thanks, guys.
Nurses and midwives are vital protectors of the community in normal times, and history shows our professions step up in crises. Our best path through these difficult COVID times relies on your professional practice, and that starts with self-care and collegial generosity. Please protect yourself first and look after each other as the stress is mounting.
Nurses and midwives are what the world needs right now. Certainty, compassion, strength.
You are vital to caring for patients who are affected by the coronavirus. Your health and safety is crucial, so please continue to use the PPE and the procedures to keep yourself safe. Together, we will navigate a path through this. Stay strong.
On behalf of all the Children's Health Queensland team, I would like to say a huge thank you to our frontline nurses and midwives. We are so inspired by the selfless and great expert care that we're providing to Queenslanders and all of our community right now. On behalf of us, thank you and great job.
2020, the year of the nurse and the midwife, is not panning out quite as we expected. But thank you for your professionalism, your commitment, and the care you provide to our patients and their families.
You are trained for this. You are competent, caring, and resilient. I trust you, I believe in you, and I'm right here with you. Together, we've got this.
Thank you for all you're doing in these challenging times. Take care of yourselves and each other and be kind. Together we will get through this.
Nurses and midwives make such a difference. Thank you for what you're doing. Thank you for coming to work. Thank you for your vocation.
I would like to say thank you to each and every one of you for providing care to people and their families, whether it be in hospitals or in our community. Especially this year, the International Year of the Nurse and Midwife, I couldn't be prouder to be a nursing and midwifery leader. Thank you and stay safe.
To the nurses and midwives of the Central West, your planning and response in these uneasy times highlights the strength, resilience and mateship of our remote communities. For all that you do every day, thank you.
I'd like to say thank you to all of our nurses and midwives for their hard work and dedication, caring for and protecting our community.
My dear colleagues throughout Queensland, I just want to wish you the very best for the future months that are in front of us, and thank you for all your care, skill and commitment in this time.
Our work is ongoing, and it's one hell of a way to celebrate the International Year of the Nurse and Midwife, but you are celebrating by doing, and you should be very, very proud of your efforts to date. Thank you so much. Stay safe, everybody.